Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can fix your service valves if they're leaking. In my case, my service valve was leaking, so I trapped the gas into the compressor and I pulled the vacuum on the line only because I wanted to pull a vacuum. But in this video, you don't really need to do that, so I'll be showing you how to install that kit that I used on the service valves. What I'm doing right now is back seating the valve because I had it closed, so I'm kind of opening it, releasing that gas into the line, and this is the time where you don't want to undo it all the way up. You just leave some gap in there. So this is something I ordered from seal410.com, and this is what it is. It talks about it, how we're going to install this kit. So let's see. Here's how they tell you. So mine is the dome style. The way you tell is it looks like a dome from the top. There's no O-ring like a snap ring. I don't have this, I have this type. So this is the kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there because I suspect my seal is right here. What I meant to say is the leak is right here. Now the kit comes for both sides, so yes, you can install this on both sides. So this is the high side liquid line, this is the vapor side. That's your plug. Quad ring insert. So this is what the kit is for the high side. There is just a ring on the inside of it, and then there is a small washer right here. You can see, I can focus right here. You can see it's a small washer, and then there's a big washer on top, and this is how you're going to seat it according to this picture. The smaller one on bottom, and it all comes in one piece. So I'm just going to put this like this, and then once you start opening the valve all the way, this rubber kind of creates that seal, and it talks about how you're going to do it. You're going to shut off the power, get down to your knees, of course, remove cap, turn the plug within 5/16 range, insert quad ring, thinner ring first, make sure rings are seated, push and insert, and back seat the plug. Okay, so to repair the valve, this is a dome shaped valve, and this is the washer. So this piece, oops, is the washer, so this piece needs to go down, and then this piece remains up. So you're going to take it out, make sure there's nothing, it's all clean. See any debris inside, just clean it, drop it in there. And then I'm going to take off this side and then do the same thing. Drop it off the inside, and then take the ring, drop the ring, just make sure it goes in between the two washers that you dropped in there. And then that's just a retainer, just keeps that. So make sure it's nice and snug in there. Yep. I don't know what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and back seat it. So I'm ready. Now you can see the rubber part is kind of coming right in the middle, and try to keep that ring in the center. With the Allen wrench in the center, it's most likely is going to stay right in the middle. And as you can see, I can't really move it. Just did. There you go. You can see the rubber kind of start bulging from side. That kind of tells me that now the rubber is kind of like sealing right from the side. I think that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep doing it because you don't want to damage that seal that the rubber have created. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap. If you have any corrosions or anything like that right here, clean it out so you have a good seal within your tightening your cap. I'm gonna grab a cleaning cloth and just clean it up. Looks nice and tight. Do the same thing on the other side. So you need to do the exact same thing on the high pressure line. It just have a small O-ring that comes with it. All you have to do is just drop that O-ring and backseat the valve. And after I did that, my system was fixed. I had to properly charge the system and had to do my superheat, which I'm going to leave a link below in the description. So please check out those videos. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.